Hello everyone, it's Sean, and this is part 2, I believe, of my model room tour at my new apartment. All the furniture hasn't arrived yet. Moving day is tomorrow. This is January 31st. But as you can see, I moved the table because the table has removable legs. So that's the model building table. And I set, as a good backdrop while I work on models and look out the window, two of my older Star Trek kits. You can see the Star Trek 4 kit here. And you can see a few of the kits I brought in my car, the new shelving unit I bought at Canadian Tire, some of the model supplies that I brought, because they couldn't bring all the liquid paint. So all the paint is there, and there, and there. And then just for fun, I decided to bring the thing with the drawers. It has different pieces of various model cars. You can see how I've numbered it based on which model it is. It needed extra parts stored in the drawer. That left the model boxes, which you can see here, free for me to store all the bottle paints in. And you can see some of the bottle paints and their labels, like Tamiya spray paint, the color ranges of some of them, etc. Of course, what I intend to do, say tomorrow or on the 2nd, is put the model kits probably along this wall, at least. And then you can have the models that I've built displayed in front of the model kits. I'm sure that by now I have enough model kits that they'll have to line the entire wall from one corner all the way to behind the closet door. And as far as the closet, you can see some of the models I brought over yesterday. There you go. And some of the supplies here in the closet. The cardboard I used for reinforcement. The extra spray paint that wouldn't fit in this box. And of course you see all the models that I've built lined up along the wall, including the 2500 scale Enterprise D, whose nacelle I have to fix. But you can see the nacelle there, right there. And then of course you have the autographed by William Shatner original Enterprise, the D7 class cruiser, the big models on the bottom shelf, and then you get into the 1000 scale models on this shelf. Then, actually underneath the model table right now, you can see a more floor view, and you can see just how much space there still is along the entire floor for me to build the models and display the model display shelves. I mean, there's going to be a few pieces of furniture in here just to store all the model supplies that are currently on the floor, but I'm going to have way more room in this room than I did in the other one. So anyway, that's all for now for my model room at my new apartment, and I'll take another picture and video on the 2nd when I've set things up better with all the furniture and model display and model kit shelves. So anyway, talk to you later and have a good day.